6. Harden will make a move, and a floater inside. It's no good. Got hit in the eye inadvertently. Here comes... You can see, still down.
Injury to James Harden. The swipe down by Draymond Green. Hits him right directly in the eye here as they're both going for that read.
Harden to the basket and the finish. Harden, step back three, got it.
Slow down just a little bit and we'll get some of those to go.
Thank you, Lisa. Harden lays. They won all 3 games against Utah at home in the first round. Harden steps back and nails the ball, finds Gordon, extra pass. Checking the seams and knocking down the... Still over 2.5 left to go. Harden, step back 3. A clock again, down to 5. Harden, step back 3. Bang!
Williams passed out of 3, shoots the 2. Oh, and Shaquille O'Neal
with the stuff over Andrew Bynum. That Bynum will
remember for the rest of his life.
Yes, he will.
He's not ejected.
Now Bynum just gives him the little shove, like, yeah, take that, big.
He's going to be back on the floor. He didn't travel with the team here for Game 6. He's back in the Bay Area.
For the Rockets fans, so many on their feet right now. Curry launches a three-pointer, puts it in. Steph Curry from downtown, and the lead is Curry on the drive, gets past layup, bank shot is good. Steph Curry coming alive for the second with him. Curry launches a 3, puts it in again. Steph Curry from downtown.
Alley-oop to drive for 2 and 1. Rookie in the basket.
To the NBA young fella. Everybody will get dunked on enough. And Dwight Howard puts Porzingis on a poster.
His pass, almost stolen. Back to Porzingis.
And that was on Dwight Howard. Just whip around pass here by Jennings. There's Porzingis goes up.
And they're going to check this to see if it's a flagrant.
That's not a flagrant foul.
At least from that up top angle. Let's see if we can see more here. Oh, yeah. You got it.
James drives, steps back, puts up a 3. Bang! LeBron James from downtown. Steps, tries it again, puts it in! As the shot clock expires, LeBron James with 44.
The best player in the land. That's good defense, but better offense. Mama, there goes that man.
With 6:45 remaining, Tatum drives down and throws it down! Wow!
Taunted LeBron James. So and then he goes right up to him.
Curry in on it, shakes Paul out of his boot.
The bench is loving it. Coming at Chris Paul, takes this one. Double behind your back, knock it down.
He's just taking a look at James Harden all the way down.
Oh, a move by Paul. Seth Curry.
He's just taking a look at James Harden all the way down.
Oh, a move by Paul. Seth Curry.
Fargo center and beat on his first touch. Right to work on Nene. You take that,
Nene. How things are going to go. How will it go for Joel?
Hard pocket pass. Nene! How about that dunk?
Oh, and he looks back at the young fella and then beats.
Finish with the left hand.
Ditto.
He's as active as anybody on both ends of the floor. What a move by Luka Doncic to shed the defensive player.
Puts on a series of moves. What a move. And George, nothing but net on the step back.
He had Doncic on skates that time. And that's the kind of ball, George, you like at this moment.
Amazing. A 19-point lead at one time. They brought him back in.
I think they would have liked to keep LeBron out. Nurk again.
The Nuggets take the lead.
Will Barton hits the triple. And it gives a smile to LeBron in the backcourt.
He said LeBron tried to flop.
Side of the floor. That's what's open right now.
LeBron sees a crowd. He turns the corner and just bullets in a powerful tomahawk slam jam. Oh, LeBron James. The bench of Cleveland more excited.
Turn that corner. I mean, players know who can jump, who can't jump.
Stanchion, but take a look at LeBron barreling in.
Wow.